we are here. I'm with Comrade Muzi Mchingila. I'm Samuel Odlela. Comrade Muzi is from the DSG's office. He's head of our elections team. We've opened up a case based on the incident this morning. We want to make it very clear that we do not and we will not tolerate violence, political intolerance, and lack of discipline. More so black on black violence. We want to make it very clear that we want free and fair elections, and at this stage the ANC likes to continuously state that we are criminals, but clearly this morning has demonstrated who the true criminals are. They went and resorted to violence in a matter that could have been resolved by way of a discussion, and what they did was totally unacceptable. We call upon the police. We've opened up the case as we've stated. We're waiting for that case number. We want that case number to be out as soon as possible, that these people must be arrested. Because if we allow this to perpetuate, it will continue throughout the elections and people will be hurt. And now the people that like making these statements from the ANC leadership in this province, they must now realize that their irresponsible utterances are leading to these kind of situations. And we call upon them to stop making such utterances and making our people fight against each other. Stop it. Amanda.
Ngoba kube nesimo esibucayi kakhulu amalungu ekhongolo sahlasela amavota namavolontiya womkhonto, kodwa lokho singasigweme kuyinto embi engafunakali ngoba izoyenza kuchitheka igazi kulimala abantu bangabe nelungelo lokuthi baxhase inhlangano abayifunayo, ngoba kusemthethweni futhi kuwumgomo ukuthi umuntu nomuntu unalilungelo lokwenza akufunayo, axhase inhlangano yepolitiki akayifunayo, avotele inhlangano akayifunayo. Manje ANC namalunga wabo abayifuni leyo nto ngoba sebajwayela ukuphatha, kodwa ngathi beza abaphethe, beza abanika ikhundla, beza abanika uhulumeni abantu bafuna into abayifunayo. Besesicelayo ukuthi ayiyekwe lento, abahlukane nomkhonto bayikhankasele ngendlela abakhankasa ngayo, kodwa siyacela amaphoyisa nobomthetho ukuthi